Hi, good morning. It's 6:30 here in the Philippines and I'm here outside in the garden because I'm going to plant okra or lady's finger. Diyan. That's my that's the place I will plant the okra. And you see this one. The ampalaya. The ampalaya. And my beans is already flowering and sprouting. The fruits are coming out already. It's exactly 55 days. 45 days lumabas na yung mga like this. Yan, may bunga na siya, 'di ba? Yung papaya ko. Papaya. It's also flowering. Okay. Bye! Mag-garden muna ako.